Welcome to 1909 Games. My name is Jan, and this is the second devlog of Virus 09. I was working on the Enemie AI and some UI stuff for the menu this week, so it is pretty much that I have done this week. Even if I wanted to do more, but that's okay. I have done a lot, and I had some issues with the Enemie AI. It's not working as I wanted to. So I use Playmaker for the programming stuff, so visual scripting tool. It's pretty nice. It's really, easy to use, so you have to learn it too. So it's not like, you say, there's an enemy, so do it. It's not like that. It's quite complicated for someone who's from the design perspective, but much more easy because you can see the different states where the program currently is, and that's pretty nice. And I really appreciate that we are able at this time in 2020 to use tools like that. It's so great, and I really appreciate. Would say try it out if you say you're a designer and you want to make games but you don't know how to start. Do it with the visual scripting tool. It's really nice. And I really had some problems with the AI when there is more than one part. You see that I have basically always the same AI and the same enemy, but sometimes there are two or more that are connected, and that is that gets problems, because where do the enemies see me? Where's the point? Where's the eye of the enemy? Is it the up or the down thing? And as you see, it's like if you just see one, if just one side sees me, it's not following me, and sometimes it's not following me at all. That's pretty annoying. So I just went on and have done some UI stuff for the menu, and it worked, but it worked. It sounds so bad, but it was working, and it's okay. But it was not pretty nice or something, and so I just played the levels to check out what I can do next, and I figured out I must do a barbecue and some time out. And the next day, I tried some other UI stuff with a other background and a little bit different things. I just tried out. I had a pen and a paper before, and then I came to this solution where you have a screen for everything. You have not like one screen where you can say play, options, menu, quit, and so on. And then you go, when you press play, there are the levels. No, it's just everything in one screen, because it's much easier to do for me in this moment, and it makes more sense, and that's the more important thing about it. It makes more sense to have it all on one screen, because I don't need much information. And why should I overload the player with informations? So here you see an enemy that is kind of working, and now it's not working. So it was like, why? It was so depressing for some time to not be able to figure out what do I have to change to make it work. And so I went on. I just tried out, make some changes, and so on. So I make some changes, try out, you know what I mean. And that took a while to figure out. And there you see it is spinning on the x-axis, and then it's not working. And this is my monitor. That's pretty annoying. I want to say it's really annoying. I cannot handle it much longer. So I took a second break for this week, and that was really important for me.
Prost!
So that is the pool that we bought just a few days ago. And I just was relaxing, and the next day I was really like coming to my office. So I see this mess. It's so terrible. I don't know. So I decided to make a Sunday clean off and some changes in my office, and so I just really, it was the whole day just cleaning up and making changes in the office, putting everything away that I don't need. I have so much stuff, you know. I was studying product design, so I needed a 3D printer. I needed this, I needed that, to not go to the university every time for doing that. I wanted to do it from home, and that was pretty okay for me. It worked out pretty good, but the problem is now I don't need it anymore. A lot of stuff I don't need, so I just want to get rid of a lot of stuff, and so that is the office now. Looks much better, much more cleaned. Yes, it's my project of my 5th semester. Shane Corey was my bachelor semester project, so my last project on university. It was a 2D platformer, and it turned out pretty nice. And after that, I just played some Equilinox that I bought from the summer sale, and have done some potatoes to eat it. And yeah, that's the menu, what it looks like right now. That was the last thing I've done today, and I think it's going in the right direction. That's nice. I was not sure if it's the right direction for a long time, but now it is. And here you see that the Enemie is not working. So that's the end of this devlog. I haven't got done what I wanted to get done in this week, but almost. I almost got done what I wanted to get done, so it's not too bad. Sometimes there is some issues with the time, but that's no problem. I'm good at the time. And also, I planned some weeks like that. This time I don't want to talk too much. I just want to say thank you for watching. If you liked the video and wanted to see more of this, then give me a thumb up and hit the subscribe button if you want to. Yeah, it would help me a lot. Next week, so basically tomorrow, I will start with more UI stuff, with a menu to go on with that, and it will be an interesting week because after that I will do some level design and I will have new levels and so on, so it will be pretty interesting. So make sure to tune in next time. Thank you and bye.